Hello, welcome to KnowWho. I'm Lou Bosse Jr. Thank you for joining me on this brief demo of State KnowWho for Salesforce in Lightning. This demo focuses primarily on the directory attributes, but also touches on apps developed by KnowWho to help organizations streamline their state government relations, grassroots, and advocacy efforts. State KnowWho for Salesforce is a directory of all 7,500 state legislators and more than 12,000 office staff, officers, and committee staff. You also get more than 9,500 state executives, including governor, lieutenant governor, and their staff. This allows your organization to take advantage of all Salesforce features and functionality without the added complexity of an integration or external APIs. There are many advantages to a native directory. For instance, all state elected officials' data is stored in the same Salesforce instance as your organization's members, donors, employees, and supporters, providing real-time capture of all advocacy actions, communications, and activities with state elected officials and their staff. There is no new software to learn or integrations to break. Users can easily search records, as well as create, track, and manage activities with state legislators, executives, and their staff. Connect with state officials via phone, email, or social media accounts. Find common areas of interest with detailed party, election, and biographical details. Create campaigns for larger scale communications. Reach out to staff members for state officials. Drill down into a member's committee records for the committee address, staff, and majority and minority members. Add custom fields or related lists to track data most important to your organization and report on that data combined with KnowWho data, all right from Salesforce. In addition to all the benefits of sitting in the native Salesforce environment, we've built web applets that link to a wealth of useful external resources, such as a member briefing report and an interactive state district map. For those who work in federal or local government relations, KnowWho content is scalable to the federal and local government levels, providing access to 200,000 elected officials nationwide. State KnowWho is updated nightly and pushed to our customer's instance, saving organizations thousands of staff research and update hours. For a more complete government relations experience, ask about our Action Center Toolkit, Lobbying Activity Tracker, and Zip-to-District Matching apps that connect your organization's members or donors to elected officials, effectively increasing activity and donations. Thank you for joining me. For more information on KnowWho's products and services, go to www.appexchange.com and search for KnowWho.